I'm Molly. This is my dog Stanley, and this is Izzy, my 2019 Ram Pro Master. She is a 159 extended.
I'm Nate Murphy, and I have literally just bought this van to show you how to build a van. We have made a really detailed course which will help you go from this to this. You will learn everything you need. We help you specify your electrical system, and you'll be able to access a community all building their own vans at the same time.
So I started getting interested in van life years ago on YouTube when it started getting popular, and I was like, that is what I want to do with my life. That looks amazing, so fun, but I just wasn't really at a place where I could do that. Actually, a year ago, I said, you know what, why not? I'm a travel nurse. I don't have anything holding me back, just my little pup, and we both like to adventure and explore, and so I said, let's do it, and I bought a van the next week. I knew absolutely nothing about building. I knew how to use a miter saw, and that was it. I had to YouTube literally every single step of the way. Like every single thing, I had to YouTube it. But I did it all by myself. My dad helped me with the plumbing, and that was about it. It's possible if you want to do van life. Anyone can do it. Anyone can build a van. This is my fridge. First thing when you open the door, I put some mountains here because I love hiking. I love being in the mountains, and why not dress up this area a little bit. So this is my fridge. It's a 12-volt fridge. The brand is Everchill. I got it online. It's a marine fridge. It's packed. I have tons of food. It will last me about 2 weeks. Over here I have a partition wall for safety and privacy reasons. I have a door so I can pass through, and it locks on both sides. Up here I have some storage in the headliner, full-size mirror. Also, bonus, when I'm driving, it is so quiet up front. I don't hear anything rattling around in the back. This is my shower that I never use, ever. I have my toilet in here, which I do use every single day. It's a Dry Flush by Laveo, and I love it so much. For my shower, I only have a 10-gallon water tank, unfortunately. If I were to do the build again, I would definitely prioritize my water tank size, but I didn't, so again, I never shower in here. Just go to Planet Fitness or shower at work. I am gonna make some changes though. I'm gonna take my shower out. I'm gonna put my fridge up here, and then have my toilet slide out underneath my fridge, and I think that will just be a much better use of this space. Next to my shower, I have my closet where I can hang my clothes in. Love it so much. And then below I have 2 drawers, toiletries in the top one, and shoes in the bottom one. Over here next to my closet is my sink. I have a soap dispenser, just regular faucet, and filtered water here. My knives. The knife block does work very well. They don't go flying anywhere. I have a nice sink, 10 gallons underneath. It's there, it's under here. And then my Christmas tree because it's Christmas time. And then my silverware drawer. These 3 drawers are just storage. Then I have a bunch of overhead storage all throughout the van. Clothes in this one. Gotta go with the gas struts. Right across from my sink, I have a propane stove. Propane tank is underneath. Also, right when you walk in the van, I have my light switch up right here, so I can just flip the lights on right away. More storage, junk drawer, propane tank, like I said, is under there, and then I have my toaster oven, blender, etc. Trash in there, cutting boards, and then food storage in both of these cabinets. Behind this little door, I have my control panel. I have it covered to protect it from the heat from the stove, and also there are some lights, so when I'm sleeping, helps to keep it dark in here. I have a Cruise and Comfort. This is my control for that, the AC unit. Love it. It's a split unit, so part of it's undermounted and then part of it is mounted underneath my bed, and the air comes out up there. Control it from here, and then I have my inverter switch here, my battery monitor, my Webasto heater, and then just the DC power shut off right there. Back here I have my seating area. I have a bench on each side. Under this bench is my laundry, and under this bench is electronics, dog toys, just kind of miscellaneous things. They both open up, and then I have my table that slides out here. Have a nice little meal. And then this part of the table actually comes out and turns into a spare bed. I have these lips here on the benches that it rests on, and I'll show you how that works. Here's my spare bed all set up. It's not the biggest, it's a little bit narrow, but my sleeping pad fits on here and it's perfect if I have people visit, which I have. And it's 68 inches wall to wall, so you just have to be under 5'8". And also I thought of this myself, didn't see anyone make it on YouTube, so giving myself a little credit here. Bring it back to my bedroom, and here's my bed. I have a purple mattress. Also, the most amazing investment that I made in the van. Favorite thing, sleep is super important, but I wanted the raised fixed bed, so I have a ton of garage space underneath here. Bookshelf here, I have clothes storage on both sides. Cabinets are a little higher so I don't hit my head, but I'm tall, I'm 5'8", and I have a really long torso, and I can sit up in here, so I still have plenty of room. Oh, I have my lights back here are on a different circuit, so I can have, those lights can be out and I can come to bed and shut these lights out, and I'm not tripping over everything in the dark. Back here I have my skylight, made it out of a piece of plexiglass. I was not about to spend $2,000 for one of those really nice but expensive skylights, so I can watch the stars from my bed and have beams of sunlight waking me up in the morning. And then on the side here I bumped out the walls a little bit, but I have plenty of room when I'm sleeping. Like I said, I'm pretty tall and plenty of room. Here is my garage. Again, I wanted the raised fixed bed so that I had plenty of storage space. It's packed full of everything, random stuff, a new hood because I hit a deer, and that's it. It's a garage. I have my electrical system over there. My AC unit is way back under there, and yeah, that's it. Back here, which you can't see because I have so much stuff, I have 3 100 amp hours of lithium battle-borne batteries, and then I have 2 pretty decent sized solar panels up top that charge the batteries. I have an inverter over here, and I also have alternator charging, so it charges while I drive too. And I am never short of power. Thanks for checking out my van tour. Stanley says thanks also. If you want to check out my travels, I'm at Molly and Stan in a Van on Instagram, and hope to see you out there.
You may have noticed that you can buy our ebook. Our ebook shows you how to build a van conversion. It has 190 pages of text, diagram, and images showing you various options of various systems. It also comes with 25 videos that show you hands-on how to do many parts of building a van. Also, coming out soon, we have a course. The course releases in December, and if you sign up now, you get early access and a discount. The course is really in-depth. It shows you everything from how to use basic tools all the way through to doing your gas, your water, and your electric installation. Not only that, but within the course, we support you hands-on in making your electrical specification. And you get to join a community of like-minded van builders who are building their vans at exactly the same time. Follow the links to find out more, and thanks for watching.